trials of public life. How are you feeling this morning? Are you a bit nervous?
Not at all. Absolutely convinced, happy, content that we have fought this election, rather campaigned with lots of hard work and with lots of dedicated, message towards, certain unique government model that Aam Aadmi Party has been launching, as well as our deep connect with the people of Delhi. We know the in and out. We know people of Delhi and the issues like the back of our hand. So we don't reduce ourselves to third-rate politics of subversion, of distributing money, liquor. We don't have goons. We don't have black money to distribute. But we have this connect, deep connect with the people of Delhi that reflected in 53% of vote last time. And this time also we are very convinced that Aam Aadmi Party will emerge as the largest
Okay, so
single
then let
party.
me reverse the question.
Congress is irrelevant, has been irrelevant, will continue to be relevant.
Okay,
So
so
Aam
let me reverse the question, ma'am, because I remember very clearly exactly 1 year ago, Sandeep Dikshit standing outside the residence of Mr. Kejriwal when there was rumors that the police is about to arrive and ED is about to arrive and arrest is going to take place. Then after the arrest took place, there was an alliance between you and the Congress. The same Sandeep Dikshit is now out to, he claims to destroy you, to claim back what was a time when his mother was chief minister, whom Arvind Kejriwal replaced. So what happened there?
So you should ask the turncoat Sandeep Dikshit what gave him the confidence to speak in favor of Arvind Kejriwal, and 6 months hence he's speaking, he's spewing poison for Arvind Kejriwal, whereas AAP stand was clear then, now, and will continue to be clear that we only contest on the basis of calm, key Rajniti and nothing else. Our 15-point guarantee for people of Delhi is the only agenda. And we also want, through your channel, request the voters not to get intimidated. Please come out and vote in whoever's favor, but do exercise your democratic right. Don't get intimidated by the goons and don't get lured by money, because nobody can find out who you voted. It's your prerogative. It's a democracy, and Aam Aadmi Party is trying to reinstate the faith of people in democracy.
But are you concerned, ma'am? And it's a genuine concern. I'm asking just, it's a normal logical thing that, 5 years ago, 10 years ago, there were people who would have said, okay, let's give the Aam Aadmi Party a chance. Okay, you guys are new on the block. You seem to be well-meaning. You want to bring a change in politics, be the change you want to see in everything. But people have seen for 10 years, and some of them might say, okay, we've given you a chance. It hasn't worked out.
So Delhi has grown 2.5 times since we took over, but our government models have actually worked. I would suggest the voters who are going to vote in a government school, go after you cast your vote, please go inside and see the difference in school, in education, in health facilities, in all the other things that Aam Aadmi Party has been able to do, rather than counting the failures or the shortcomings that to some extent we are also admitting that we were not able to clean Yamuna to an extent that we ourselves wanted. So at least try and appreciate the good things that the education has, the entire metamorphosis of education for the future of kids in Delhi has.
But most people who either live in Delhi or visit Delhi or happen to pass through Delhi, we don't have to go anywhere. We just have to step outside and take a deep breath, and we can smell the progress for everyone and all the politicians. You can smell it in the air how much progress we've had in North India. Forget Delhi. You can smell it, but no politician wants to talk about it. Be the BJP, Aam Aadmi Party, not necessarily the Congress either. Nobody wants to talk about it. That's a reality check as well. Let me get Bhaskar Ghosh in of the BJP.